Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take mathematics class 4, class 3, and our today's topic is writing words, and our today's lecture 12 and our HW11. You have to submit your HW11 on your campus at next Saturday. Now my dear students, let's go to start our class. Here is first number 8, 9, 7, 6. So 6 is here ones place, 7 is here tens place, 9 is here 100 place, and 8 is here 1000 place. So in words we can write 8 in 1000 place. So here is 8000. E-I-G-H-T 8,000. 8,000. 9 in 100 place, so 900. 7 in tens place, that means 70. And 6 is ones place, that means 76. Now next one, here is 2 is ones place, 3 is tens place, 4 is 100 place, and 5 is 1000 place. So here is 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 4 in 100 place, that means 400. 400, 3 in tens place, that is 30. 30, and 2 is ones place, here is 2. So it is 5,432. Now next number, here is 7, 6, 5, 1. 1 is ones place, 5 in tens place, 6 in 100 place, and 7 is 1000 place. So here 7,000, 7,000, 6 in 100 place, so here is 600. 600, 5 in tens place, so here is 5 tens means 50. 50, and 1 is ones place, that is 51. So it is 7,651. 9780 is the next one. 0 is ones place, 8 is tens place, 7 in 100 place, and 9 in 1000 place. So here we can write 9,000, 9,000, 9,000, 7 in 100 place, so 700, 700, 8 in tens place, that means 8 tens means 80, and 0 is ones place, that means it will be 80. 9,780. Next one, 6, 4, 5, 8. 8 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 4 in 100 place, 6 in 1000 place. So here it will be 6,000, 6,000, 4 in 100 place, that means 400. 5 in tens place, that means 5 tens is 50. 8 in ones place, that means 8. Therefore the number is 6,458. Now the next one is 7003. 3 in ones place, 0 in tens place, again 0 is 100 place, and 7 is 1000 place. So we can write here 7,000 0 in 100 place, so no need to write 0 100, 0 in tens place, so no need to write 0 tens, so at the last digit is 3 in ones place, so we have to write 7003. Now here is next one 8145, 5 is ones place, 4 in tens place, 1 in 100 place, and 8 is 1000 place. So here it will be 8,000 1 in 100 place, 100, 4 in tens place, that means 4 tens is 40, 5 in ones place, that means 5. So the number is 8,145. And the last one here is 5794. 4 is ones place, 9 is tens place, 7 in 100 place, and 5 in 1000 place. So we can write here 5,000 7 in 100 place, so here is 700, 9 in tens place, that means 9 tens is 90, and 4 is ones place, that means 4. So the last number is 5794. My dear students, hope you understood how can we write in words. Practice it at your home more and more. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.